she go? I hear her. Did you find Mickey Mouse? Get her. Go get her. Here, I'll take that. You go get Evelyn. Go get her.
Mommy Mouse.
I got her. I got Mickey Mouse. You go get Evelyn. I got Mickey. Okay, go get her. She's waiting for you. She's coming.